my teacher voice today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're about to go ahead and enter. All right, for those who who's here for the first time? Who's my first time?
Oh, wow.
Not here at the park. This is your first MCN event.
Oh.
All these old heads also me. This is your first MCN link up ever. Y'all say hello. Look at the new face. I feel like church. They were like, where you from? Where you people? We're gonna do a welcome song in a little bit. All right, well, welcome, welcome, welcome. For those who don't know me, I'm the park president, Miller. Of course, everybody knows the infamous Prime. He's the reason why we're all here. All right, Three's here. Our beautiful COO, our executive team, other executive team members. We'll introduce ourselves a little bit later. But we're about to go inside. Once you get inside, meet us at the Dollywood sign. So don't disappear. When we meet up, we always do a large group picture before everybody gets tired and sleepy and never see you again. So let's make sure we take care of that business before we leave. If you are not a part of the group chat, please come see me. I give you the QR code. That's how we communicate. So if you don't want to stick with the group, you definitely want to stick with the group because I'm a good time. But if you don't, that's how we communicate throughout the day. So make sure you get that. So we'll have that, we'll take pictures, and we'll go from there. Everybody good? Yeah. You got to get your energy up. I've been up since 4.
Let's go! All right, let's go to the
QR code. So let's get in. Let's get in. At the Dollywood sign.
Dollywood sign. Dollywood sign.
Let's roll.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's go. What's your name? What's your city? Where are you from?
Name's Cecil from Los Angeles, California. Home park, be Magic Mountain.
There you go. Nice. You ready for today?
Oh yeah, it's my first time here. I'm excited.
First time here is my first time as well.
Oh yeah, I'm excited to do lightningrod, see how it feels. Do Wild Eagle and a bunch of other rides here too.
Well, we'll have lots of fun today, I'm sure.
Look at that.
Your name, where are you from?
Hey, I'm Alexander, Cincinnati, Ohio.
Awesome. What's your name and where are you from?
Monique Jones, and we're from Columbus, Ohio.
I'm Ryan Jones. I'm from Columbus.
Akila Watts. I live in LA, but I'm from Chicago, Illinois.
Awesome. What's your name and where are you from?
From Atlanta.
Atlanta. And what's your name and where are you from?
I'm Chuck from Atlanta.
Awesome. What's your name and where are you from?
James Spadle.
Awesome.
Busch Gardens, Williamsburg.
Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. That's where you're from? That's awesome.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Prime. I'm the founder and CEO of Melanin Network. Today we had a Primetime link up in Dollywood. I'm with the president. I'm with the chief operating officer. It's about to go down.
What's going on? You already know what time it is. This is President Miller, president of MCN, Melanin Coaster Club. It's about to go down. We about to do Thunderhead, and it's about to be really, really big. Dolly P, we looking for you.
Yeah, tell them your name, Rick.
Shamet Pringle, COO, and I'm excited to be here and just enjoy the essence of everybody in MCN.
Absolutely, absolutely. Hey, today, look, we got ERT on lightningrod at night, pitch black rides on one of the top RMCs in America. We finna meet Dolly Parton. We getting on Dolly Parton cares today. I'm making Dolly come out. It's about to go down. That wasn't her. She come. Hey, Dolly Parton.
We gonna find you, Dolly B.
We gonna find you.
We working 9 to 5.
9 to 5.
We gonna find you.
Yeah, let's go.
Because I will always love you. Always. Bunch of bands here. It's like
y'all see? Y'all know Seasons of Love.
Yes, it is actually.
Let's go.
She said, don't try me.
Come on, let's go.
Don't do me. I do know that.
Maybe I'll sing it with you. I don't know that song.
Come on. 525,600 days. Come on, let's go. 5,000 moments so deep. Louder. 525,600 minutes. How do you measure?
There you go.
Measure again.
What they say?
In daylights, in sunsets, in midnights, in inches, in miles, and laughter in stride.
Wait.
525,600 minutes. How do you measure?
What do you measure?
Here in a life.
What is it? All about
love. All about love.
course.
Yeah.
Gardening, watering a plant.
Yeah.
Singing, concert, singing, karaoke.
Most of your time with us at Dollywood.
Choir, church, Gold League.
How was your ride on the Thunderhead?
I got a good ride. That's my favorite GCI.
It is.
Thunderhead is butter
Phenomenal.
I gotta give me a shirt that say butter smooth.
Butter smooth.
Butter smooth. Any coaster that's butter smooth, gotta get the butter. I gotta get the butter.
I have a complaint. It was a little rough in the back. It took my sunglasses away. They're gone. Gone.
Thunder got to you.
You need a.
Coming from the guy that sat in the front row. Sat in the front row. He didn't even sit
With
in the
my
back.
glasses on, and I still have mine.
You heard it. You heard it from Prime. Best drop. We are excited.
Ain't she a beaut, Clark? It's Big Bear Mountain.
Recommend guests with heart conditions, high blood pressure, back, or neck injuries, recent surgery,
Got a green bandana sign.
I'm the one in the green bandana.
Hey, this is the type of drop towns that Prime like. Right here. That's it. All the big ones, no. Right here, this is what I like. This is my drop town right here.
All right, what is fixing to go down now?
What's fixing to go down? Hey, look, we got lightningrod, RMC. We at Dollywood. We finna ride it for an hour. MCN, just our members. The public is about to go home. We finna do ERT on lightningrod. It's about to go down, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. It's finished.
Heard it. Let's go.
ERT,
Blue, thank you again.
No problem, man.
It's been another good one.
Always amazing time we have. ERT, the whole day. It was so much fun. So amazing. Can't wait to do another one.
And we will.
They're always amazing.
Amazing is an understatement in this park. And no matter where we go, you know I will be here for it. Not I, but we.
Yes, we'll all be there.
We're family.
Yes. It's what family does.
Family from another family.
Yes.
So he's like, I got